Hey guys, this is Keenan with the Rideshare Hub, a place where Uber drivers can connect, share stories, share tips for making more money. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Let's get into it. I just wanted to talk to you guys today about something that's been on my mind a little bit recently. The Uber retroactive sign-up code. So I know if you've seen a couple of my other videos, you know that a little bit of info about it. It is a code that you can use even if you've already signed up to do Uber. You can use it to sign up, get more money, throw it in your bank account. Just some basic info. It varies by state to state. Some markets are up to $1,000, other markets are not quite as much. You know, it just depends on how many Uber drivers are already in a particular area, how many Uber drivers they need, so on and so forth. I know that it also is constantly changing. So if you check it, if you checked it in the past and it wasn't that much, you can check it again, it's gone up. But it does not hurt to just try to add it to your account. Free money either way. And then make sure to just follow the instructions down below the video. It takes 30 seconds. Just go ahead and get your extra money. And then for you Lyft drivers out there, they don't do a retroactive sign-up bonus. So you have to do it right when you sign up, which is unfortunate. But for all of the Uber drivers, you can do it even if you've already signed up and been driving for a while and just didn't use a code initially. I know that in some states it can be lower than other states, just depending on the market and Uber's needs. But it doesn't hurt to check. Free money either way. However, if Lyft does change their policy regarding retroactive sign-up bonuses, we will change the description on the video and we'll give you instructions on how to do that as well. So either way, just check the description below the video. We'll have all the updated information so that we can get you your money. One other quick thing to go over is that in some markets it is going to be something called a cash bonus, and in other places it's going to be something called a guarantee. So what the difference is between the two is, you know, say for a guarantee, Uber says complete your first 100 rides and we guarantee you $1,000. That means that if your first 100 rides are only, you know, a mile long and you end up making $400, $500, they'll give you that extra $500, $600 in order to make sure that you get $1,000 for your first few rides, no matter what. Cash bonus is something different, which means, you know, complete your first 100 rides and then we'll give you an extra $300, $400 in addition to the money that you've already made. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And again, it changes in all the different markets and all the time. So what they need is constantly changing. So your best bet is just to go into the description below the video right now, click on the link, use the code, just make sure that you can sign up and get your money before it changes. Follow the instructions, do the retroactive sign up code, go ahead and get your money. Thank you so much for watching.